Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and futuristic camping innovations of the year, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. It's compact, electric, and packed with features that make it perfect for solo travelers, couples, and urban explorers. Let's take a full tour and see what makes this micro camper so unique. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper features a sleek, aerodynamic design that blends modern aesthetics with practicality. The three-wheel configuration not only enhances balance, but also keeps it street legal in most urban areas. It's small enough to navigate tight city spaces, but sturdy enough for light off-road adventures. The body is made of lightweight aluminum alloy with reinforced polymer panels, making it both durable and weather-resistant. Moving inside, the interior of the camper is a masterclass in space optimization. Despite its compact size, it offers a surprisingly comfortable living area. There's a convertible sleeping bench that turns into a full mattress, smart storage compartments integrated into every wall, and even a compact kitchenette with a sink, induction stove, and mini fridge. The smart control panel lets you manage lighting, temperature, and battery levels with a single touchscreen. Under the hood, or rather, under the seat and body panels, this Tricycle RV is powered by a 15 kW electric motor paired with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack. With a full charge, you can expect a range of up to 180 kilometers, depending on load and terrain. The regenerative braking system adds efficiency, while the rear-wheel drive setup ensures stability even when the camper is fully loaded. When it comes to price, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper starts at $17,219 for the base model and goes up to around $23,500 for the fully equipped version with solar panels, upgraded interior, and smart tech package. It's one of the most affordable ways to get into the RV lifestyle without sacrificing comfort or functionality. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The camper includes a reinforced roll cage, anti-lock braking system, rear-view camera, and even lane assist for urban driving. The low center of gravity and wide rear axle offer extra stability, and the dual front disc brakes provide strong, responsive stopping power.